As we have already seen, no connects two nouns, namely N1 and N2. And amongst this, N2 is the object relating to which N1 is giving some information.
In section 1, you would learn how to frame sentences in the pattern N1 no N2, where N2 is the product and N1 is the country that makes the product.
I have given some examples of the product and the country which makes this product. Let's try framing out the sentence. This car is made in Japan. This is the sentence. This car is made in Japan. This. The demonstrative word that should be used would be koreva. The object here or the product is kurma. Kurma means car. Kurma. So kurma would be N2 in our sentence. Japan. This is the country which makes the car. So we would write Nihon no kurma desu. Koreva Nihon no kurma desu. This bag is made in India or is from India. The sentence would be Koreva something no something this. What is the product? Kaban. So Kaban would be N2. What is the country name here? Indo. I have written this in katakana here. Koreva Indo no Kaban desu. This word is in katakana. It reads as camera. Camera. Let me frame out the sentence for that. Koreva dash no dash this. Can you put the words here? The product is camera. Camera. The country name is Nihon, Japan. Koreva Nihon no camera desu. Soreva Nihon no camera desu. Areva Nihon no camera desu. You could put any of the demonstrative word. Looking at the last usage of the particle no. N1 no N2, where N2 being the product, N1 explains the company that made this product. So I have taken out 3 examples of products and the corresponding companies which have made the product. Let's try framing out sentences for these 3 illustrations. The first product, kurma, which means car. And the company manufacturing this car is Toyota. This car is made by Toyota. Framing out the sentence, Koreva dash no dash this. This N2 should be the product and the product here is kurma. Toyota no kurma desu. Koreva Toyota no kurma desu. And if you want to frame out the question for the sentence, it would be Koreva. Where would be the interrogative word? You know the object. You want to know what is the name of the company which made this object or this product. So, Koreva doko no kurma desu ka? Instead of the company name, the interrogative word used would be doko. Now this is a word in katakana. The pronunciation for this would be Gucci. Gucci is a famous bag manufacturer. Koreva dash no dash this. Gucci no kaban desu. Gucci no kaban desu. And the last one, this is camera and this one is Sony. Koreva Sony no camera desu. Try framing out the question for it. これはどこのcamera desu ka?